Dear students, in this video, you will learn about features of AC servo motor and applications of AC servo motor. First, we will see features of AC servo motor. So, AC servo motor is having various features. So, first one, it has light weight for quick response. The weight of the servo motor is very less, so it will respond very quickly. So, robust in construction. So, it means servo motor is a very strong construction. So, servo motor construction is very strong. It is reliable and its operation is stable in nature. So, it is like a induction motor. It has reliable operation and operation also stable in nature. The operation of the servo motor is smooth and noise free operation. So, like induction motor, smooth operation, a servo motor also will be consist. Large torque to weight ratio. So, it produces large torque and large resistance to reactance ratio. So, it has large resistance. How spring induction motor will have external resistance. So, similar way here also large resistance to reactance ratio. No brushes or no slip rings are required. No brushes. So, in slip ring induction motor we will use slip rings. So, in this servo motor no slip rings are required. So, that maintenance is free. Driving circuits are simple to design. So, since there is no slip rings and brushes, the design of servo motor is very simple and driver circuits are simple. The negative slope of torque slip characteristics adds more friction, improves the dampings. The negative slope of the torque slip characteristics adds more friction, improving the damping. This improves the stability of the motor. This feature is called internal electric damping of the servo motor. So, servo motor is negative slope torque slip characteristics, so that more friction improves the damping. Right. So, these are the servo motor features. Servo motors are mainly used in the low range applications. So, it is not used for high range applications. So, now coming to the applications of a servo motor. As mentioned earlier in previous video, we have seen servo motors are preferred for low power applications. So, since it is consisting of two windings, control winding and reference winding, so that these motors are used for low power applications. So, consider AC position control system where the load position is to be maintained constant. The driving motor is used in two-phase AC servo motor. The potentiometer arrangement compares the actual position with the reference position to generate the error voltage. Potentiometer arrangements will be there. So, it is used to calculate the error voltage. The error voltage is amplified, it generates the controlled voltage. So, error voltage will be calculated, that will be amplified and it will be generates controlled voltage. The voltage is applied to the controlled winding. So, since servo motor will consisting of two windings, that is what a two-phase AC servo motor. The motor will calling as a two-phase AC servo motor. Okay. So, controlled winding and reference winding will be there. The controlled voltage, the error voltage will be amplified and it will generate a controlled voltage. The controlled voltage we are applying to the controlled winding in AC servo motor. Okay. So, this controlled voltage, that it will develops the torque inside the AC servo motor. As the driving motor is AC servo motor, the system is called AC position control system. So, servo motor is operates on controlled winding and controlled voltage, that is what this AC servo motor system we are calling as a AC position control system. So, we can see the diagram in next slide. So, this is the diagram of AC servo motor. You can see in this figure. So, stator circuit will have controlled winding, reference winding, and this the controlled voltage will have amplifier circuit. The error voltage will be amplified and it will give to the controlled winding. The reference winding always will get supplied directly from the mains, and here we have a potentiometer. So, potentiometer is connected to the load and AC amplifier. So, to amplify the signals, to amplify the controlled voltage or error voltage. So, this is the AC servo motor diagram, AC position control system. So, here we can see other applications of AC servo motor. So, AC servo motors are generally used in instrument servos, process controllers, robotics, self-balancing recordings, mission tools. So, these are the main applications of AC servo motor. So, instrument servos, process controllers, robotic applications, robotics also will use AC servo motor to move the hands, to move the legs, to move the position of the robots. So, we will use AC servo motor since these are the low power devices, and self balancing recorders, mission tools, and is preferred for number of other applications in which precise angular motion is necessary. So, these are the applications of AC servo motor. So, in next video you will learn about linear induction motor. Okay. Thank you everyone.